Hello my dear students. So here I have written count is equal to 1 while count lesser than 5, then print count plus equal to 2. So 2 means I have to increment 2 to 2. So this one I will explain the step. So it initial with the value 1, then plus 2, the next value we will get 3. Then we will get after 3 plus 2, then we will get we will get what 5, but 5 is the end because it should be 5 lesser than 5, then automatically it turns to the false condition. So let's run this module. So I will save the program with while example. So let's see. So 1 and 3, why 5 cannot come? Why 5 cannot come? This is a very simple answer, because we can write 5 lesser than 5, automatically it turns to false. Suppose if I am writing 5 lesser than equal to, so this equal to symbol is a very main thing, because till 5 it reach and it gives the output. So let's give the equal to symbol here. Okay, let's give the equal to symbol here. Now I will execute this program. Run module. So that what happened, 1 3 5 is also appearing. So this is the example how to print the program 1 to 5. Okay, so the next one, so this one while program we can convert into for loop, and this program also gives the same output to us. Okay, here we can say that next program text printed number of times. So what happened, 3 times it has to give like inside loop. So let's see this program now. So I'm hiding this. Okay, so count is equal to 0. So count is equal to 0 while count lesser than 3. Okay, so what to be print? It has to print inside loop. It has to print. Okay, so when we inside print, I need to increase the count value. So when I increase this count value, I can run this module. Now what is happening is inside loop. So 3 times it starts printing on it. Okay, because 3 lesser than 3 will become false. Now when we go back to the PowerPoint, here we see the multiplication table using while command. So here we have to give the number. It has to print 10 times. Okay, 10 times like means 4. If I'm giving 4 as an input, 4th table it will give as a output for us. So let's do this program now. So here I'm taking, so very simple program now we are making. So here what is happening, high is equal to 0, then count int input, enter the digit, which digit you want as a multiplication table. Now I will give the condition while lesser than equal to 10, because I need till 10 times. Okay, I is equal to I plus 1. It has to increase the value. I is equal to I plus 1. Now I am writing here print. First I am writing count, then multiplication symbol, then I am writing, then I am writing equal to, so then I am writing count into I. So let's see what error or what output. Let's see that. Enter the digit 5. So it will give me the 5th table completely. So till 11 it is coming. So if I am giving, suppose here I lesser than 10 I am giving. So now what happened is I am going to run this module, enter the table 5. Here you can see exactly 10 it will be, finish it off. Okay, so when I remove equal to symbol, it will give me till 10. If I put equal to, then it will give me till 11. So next slide, while and else statement. Yeah, we have seen about if and else only we have seen, and for and else we have seen. Now today we are going to see while and else. So s is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So here we have to increase the value. So whatever I am increasing for the x, it should be added with the yes. Okay, so what happened, the sum of first 9 integer is, so let's see this program after typing. Let me hide this one by using the 3 symbol. Let me type. So first I will initial the value x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. While x is lesser than 10, I need to give the loop value. So till 10 times it has to increase. So s is equal to s plus x and x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now else, so what it's going to print, I'm going to print the sum of first 9 integer. 9 integer I am writing. So where it will store, actually it will store in yes. Okay, now let me execute this one, children. So the sum of 9 integer is 45. Suppose if I'm giving, if I don't give else, okay, if I don't give else, I'm going to execute the program. So now also what happened, the sum of first 9 integer is 5. So there is no difference. If you put else, you can get the output. If you don't put else also, you will get the output. So the next one is to find the factorial of the given number. So what is the find of the factorial? Factorial means, I told you, right, if I'm giving 5, if I'm giving 5, so it will calculate 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So definitely I have to start my value, then one step I have to increment, and with the increment I should get the multiplication. So first it will 1, it will be there, 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 plus 1 it will add, then 2. So 1 into 2, with the previous value it will multiply. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 into 1 equal to 3. Like this it will go. So let's see this one in our example program. Let me hide it. So n is equal to int input, enter a number. So print, I am writing 1 end comma then end. Then factor is equal to 2. Factor means which other number is going to divide it. Not the factorial, I'm sorry, this is factor. Factor means n divided by 2. So let's see this example. If n modulus of factor, okay, modulus of factor equal to 0. 0, that means I need to type print factor n equal to this one I'm giving. Now I write factor plus equal to 1. Again I'm writing print of n. I don't know, like we have to see that the digit. Okay, so let's run this module. So enter a number 5. So fifth number, anyhow it's a prime number, we can say that it will execute only one time. So if I am writing here, suppose if I am giving now 24. So you can see 1, 2, 3 and 24th table, and 4th table also it goes for us. Okay, so this is the program. So let's correct something because it shows the error to us. So now try the program 24. So here also what happened, 1, 2, 3, so many times it's coming 24 repeatedly. So to avoid this one, we have to do the factorial, factor plus 1, and again I'm executing the program. So when you are doing the indentation, this is the problem. So now you see this one, so many times the 2 is printed, so it is like it's a wrong. So we need to give this one. Now let's see the program. So I'm teaching you how can we find out the error and then how can we rectify. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So each and every indentation also very important, first while and we have applied. So if I'm giving whatever the number, factor. So factor means here, factorial means this one. Okay. So factor means in 24th number, which are the table it goes. So 1 table it will go, 2 table and 3 table and 4 table, 5 table it won't go. Then after that 6th table it will go, then 8th table, then 9, 10, 11 and 12th table it will go. Then 13, 14 and all it won't go, directly 24. So this is the factor for the 24. Thank you students. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel, and you have to comment if you have any doubt, so that it is very easy to clear your doubts in the comment box. And if you need any help, you can put an email also, or you can put it in the comment box. Give your email ID so that I can send all this PowerPoint to you children. Thank you so much.